Good morning, guys. This is the blind car guy. I'm here in Sweden at my farm, and I figured I'd make a video of my latest find today, which is this thing. This is a 1966 Dodge D300 tow truck. I love old tow trucks. I just always did, and I picked this up the other day. I think it's really cool. It's like a shop truck, and you can actually, kind of dark in here. I'm sorry about that, but you can actually use this. I mean, it has a great flatbed with a winch on it. The bed itself is pretty tall. I mean, you can load a full-size American car on this. So I like this. This has been in Sweden for many years, and what's so special about it? It's actually under here. It's the engine. This, I think it's originally probably came with the V8, but somebody put this engine in. This is a beast. It's a 4-liter inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel, which came out of a Swedish military truck. And well, I love it. And somebody put this in. They made an adapter, so it has the transmission is a Chevy Turbo 400, and the starter is a Mercedes diesel starter. And the guy, well, the radiator is from a Chevy diesel. So it's a mix-up. But he got it really well put together. This is the dipstick, which is from the truck, so it's pretty. I got probably the longest dipstick of all. I don't think this is gonna start because the glow plugs needs replacing, but I mean, we can give it a shot. I turn the power on and just try it out for you guys. See what's gonna happen. I wasn't too hard really, but it's cold out. It's probably, I don't know, maybe around freezing point. So it's not too bad, but it needs a couple of glow plugs, that's for sure. Otherwise, I've didn't do much lately. I can show you what's going on in my shop. What's going on otherwise is that tomorrow, sorry about the wind, guys. Tomorrow I'll be going to Florida, actually, to my house. It's just gonna be a short trip. It's gonna be for 12 days. I'm gonna go with my mother, and it's not about buying cars this time, which I usually do, but this time it's about taking care of the house, which got a lot of damage from Irma. So we're gonna go there, and then we're having a roofer come in to fix the house. It took over a year to get the insurance money, so that's why we're going. So this is what's going on. This is my Lincoln. I did do some work to this yesterday. We fixed the steering wheel. That means that we fixed it in this position because the steering wheel the tilt locking mechanism was worn out, so the steering wheel would move all the time. So we fixed it. So now it's right there. And also we have my 340 Dart, which is a project, and it actually we've done some welding. A friend of mine has. So it's beginning to look like a car. So hope you liked the video. I'll see you next time.